This is the fourth edition of Future Materials Conference organized here at MOME. The goal of this conference is to bring academics and scholars and practitioners together. MOME has a strong history and tradition in crafts. That gives MOME the advantage of hosting such a conference, but looking in also new ways of building new materials. This includes digital fabrication, biodesign, looking at waste as a resource for making new materials, regenerative and sustainable biodegradable materials.
My recommendation firstly would be think about what is it that we design that goes outside of our use. We invent terms as humans like waste. Waste is a wonderful way to wrap up all of these things we don't understand and call it waste, which is beyond human use. So I think there's a lot that we can build on in terms of thinking about circularity and thinking about sustainability and thinking about regeneration. But we can extend those. I'd like to see us maybe rethink our terms like byproducts and waste and think about materials as a whole and work from that. And I think those are ways that we can build on the themes of the conference.
I think we need to stop seeing material as a static resource, but actually thinking about more like a living system.
I think in general, the way how we should approach the material design and the systems is in the way of a collaboration mindset. And I think this requires training and practice. It helps us open up the possibilities of creating new materials for these systems and to look at it from different perspectives and put it in a context of consequences that the materials are causing.